right away, but I guess they optimize it for it as well. So, I thought it just works right off the bat. But now this next news story this is kind of like up Smart Scarecrow's alley, actually, a little bit. Now, this is probably more on the rumor than anything, but and this actually has to do with OpenBSD. And title this is actually on OS News. I got this from. It says FBI added secret backdoors to OpenBSD IPsec. Basically, what it was is they paid, I guess, the OpenBSD developers to put a backdoor in for them, I guess, supposedly. Now, I can't really verify it, and, might just be a rumor put up by somebody. I think it might have been one of the developers behind that claiming this. And let me give you from a few excerpts on this as well. It says OpenBSD's Theo D. Ralt, I can't pronounce his name, has received an email in which it was revealed to him that 10 years ago, the FBI paid several open source developers to implement hidden backdoors in OpenBSD IPsec stack. D. Ralt decided to publish the email for all to see so the code in question can be reviewed. Which, actually, if there is, it really needs to be because, obviously it needs to be closed. The same backdoor exists in Cisco, SonicWall, and WatchGuard. That's interesting. Now, I know, like the government, this came out recently that they don't want people to implement certain websites and software developers. They don't want to implement encryption. Or if they do implement encryption, to be able for them to decrypt it when they need to. Now I'm guessing that had mostly to do with email type of things. So that is very, you think how, well, like I said, I don't know, just probably a rumor. But, usually free BSD has probably been known to be one of the most secure, Unix-based distributions out there. So it's kind of funny to there might possibly be a back way in. And if somebody actually finds it, a hacker, then they can gain access into these systems. So this was reported many years ago. Oh, okay, it was. I didn't realize that. I just happened to find this in today's news, so maybe it's been out for a while. Reported. I'm just reading what's Scarecrow's putting in the chat here. Speed to guys who find it in the store. Oh, so somebody found it within the FreeBSD. Okay. Or free or open. It's probably very related anyway. Yeah, supposedly it's been 10 years old. That's what I'm seeing from the article. I just found out about it, I think it was today or yesterday. That's when the article came out. So now that's a little scary, considering they only caught it, right now. Now, this is a claim by, whoever the whistleblower was. I guess it was one of the developers per se, so. Tell you what, I don't want nobody going through my back door. Yeah, mine says one way only. So, one way only. Yeah, those were the two news articles I thought was really interesting, so I figure I'd put that in there. And actually, recently, I think it was Saturday, me and Smart Scarecrow, we were doing some political things related to security, and it had to do with technology as well. Yeah, backdoor. Yeah, backdoors are bad. I don't know. I don't know. Like going back to, the first days of the internet or operating systems, didn't they, developers often put in backdoors? It's like nothing. The idea is nothing really that new. I don't know if it was for their use or, something like that. Microsoft's use or exit.